guys, we're back again, and oh yeah, blue and it's the black, but I'm thinking else. That's at the worst I ever made to mankind. Okay, so let's check it. Let's talk with this dude. So remind that. So now click on. I know you know this game, right, guys? Being popular today. It's because of fun games and yeah. We know it. It's been popular today because of falling. So hard. I was thinking about making why there's a background. Sorry for no. It's because the recorder, not my voice. By the way, I'm fighting the monster of backgrounds. Sorry. Time to drink milk first. So what? What the? Why there's a bird here? I saw something there. I saw something there. The heck? Oh, so I'm back. Dude! What is here? So, someone just commented on my vid just here. I'll show you. Okay, so shout out to this girl. I mean, boy. Shout out to you. And I got into. Okay, fine. I'll story it. What happened in this video. And I saw this girl. He has low level on the head. On her defense or in the dash. And the fuck. And I was just gonna fight. He defeated me just by his water combo. Yeah, got beaten by a girl. Well, it's because I'm just bounty hunting players. See? And I need bounty for second seat. Yes! It's real. I know. And I did go there in Heaven Island in this game. And also, let's continue the story. And I was just fighting the good, and until he's I'm noob. It's just stuff. And I said, he said, what? I'm kinda cute, not. And I said, and I 3 dots, cause I'm not a regular boy. I rejected you. I reject women's. Dahil. Oh, hello. Oh. Hi. Dahil. 2 police dude. Oh. No, it's great. This update is kind of fun, but why? All of the police in this game. I'm so mad of this, and all players that are played, I unfriended them. The best. But that is the reason why I take police here. So even a single try, I don't want to try even this. That's why I hate this police. All this police because they kill us for no reason. See that? Dude, stop killing for no reason. Dude, stop killing for no reason. Yeah, see that? See that? We all did no reason. And dude, they just kill us for no reason. That's why I hate police in this game. Thanks, bro. But I love being criminal here. Oh, I saw these 2 people. Are they? But I love this game. But luckily it got saved by the owner because he's done with college. I'm so happy all the hackers are banned here. SWATs are coming. Wait, there's a SWAT. So I hope this update is kind of fun, but I think prison life needs to be. Criminal need a new gun, just like the police. Just like the police, yeah. We don't have any single gun of police. We just have this Remington and AK-47. Ooh, this is camping. Police is camping our base. No, I'm gonna go, sorry. Like to attack the base. Halab. Happy? way. Oh, please. No, no, no. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. But I got key card. I got key card, dudes. Not to fight. No. No. Oh. 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 What the? What's wrong? Anak. I'm a 6'2" dude. All prisoners must escape. Yeah, that's okay. I'm freeing all of them. Okay. So, oops, oops, oops. They know it. No, oh hell. Oh, they show me. They show me. They are blind. Go, escape. Go, escape. Go, escape. No. Ooh. Ah, yeah. No, just escape. Just escape. Oh. Oh. No, why didn't you all follow me? Nah, I'm running for my life. Oh. Oh, okay, done. I'm done. Y'all. No. No, I died. Okay, it's okay. But the key card, it's kind of it. Thanks for updating this game. Thanks. By the way, guys, I think I need to. I'm sorry to say this, guys, but hey, joke lang. Joke, just a joke. No, please. I'm escaping for my life. No. Oops. Thanks for. Okay, so this is all the vid, and thanks for updating this game. Thanks, owner. This is the best game, and they removed the energy finally. They updated this game. They removed the energy, and now after and goodbye, guys. See you on another vid. Another vid is on tomorrow.